guys, welcome back. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel please. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, press the bell, get notified when the next video is coming out. Today I want to introduce you to something that I came across about 5 or 6 days ago. It's for anything that you want to, if say you've just updated your blog or your website, or you've just made a video on YouTube, or you've updated your video on YouTube and you want Google or your search engines, any of the major search engines, to find out that it's been updated and to get you some backlinks. So I'll just run through it with you guys. So here we are. It's called pingfarm.com. Just put that in your browser and it'll bring you to this one here, this page here. So it tells you how it works, but I'll give you a brief example of it. So we'll just go back over to my video channel and we'll do one that's not got very many views on, this one here. So we'll just press on that video there. I will just pause that there and I'll just scroll up. Let me just make this. I'll just scroll up here and copy and paste the URL out of the browser. Okay guys, I know you can't see that on this video, but I have just copied and pasted it out of my browser. Don't go here and press share and get this link here. Do not do that, it won't work. Okay, so then we've copied and pasted the link from that video, and then we're just going to paste it in here. There we go, there's the link from my video, look. Okay, you can put your keyword in there, what you want it to optimize for if you want, but for this example I'm not going to. Okay, so all these sites here will all be notified by one press of the button. Okay, we'll just press that there, and there you go. It's been sent. Okay, so then you go to your rapid indexer and do pretty much exactly the same, except for one other step. So here we'll paste it in, and here, if for the videos, anything that's got a complex URL, tick that box there guys, and then press rapid index. Okay, this will start submitting now to 577 pages, and it will put your URL on each one and rapidly index it for you. It does take quite a while. I'm not going to keep this video going forever, but I should say it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Leave your browser open while you're doing it. I know for the first 16 it does it straight away, and then it will slowly pump through to 577 depending on how good your computer is and things like that. So that's it guys. So it's called pingfarm.com. I'll leave you the link underneath this video. You have to leave that browser running and leave the page open until it's completed all 577, and then that will rank your page a lot better than when you did 10 minutes ago before you started it out. So that's it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for some more free gifts, some more free software and things like this today. Take care guys, good luck.